Good morning and welcome back. We will continue with the same chapter, that is the second chapter of class 9th, the physical features of India. So next to the northern plain is you have the peninsular plateau. Now this time there was an important question that was asked which explained what is the demarcating feature between the northern plain and the Deccan Plateau. So the demarcating feature here is the central highland. So within the region of peninsular plateau, you have the central highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Then central highland lie to the north of the Deccan Plateau. And if I talk about peninsular plateau, it is a table land which is composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rock, which is formed due to breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land, and consists of two broad divisions, that is the central highland and the second one is Deccan Plateau. So central highland is the north of the Narmada river, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, and the westward extension gradually merges with the sandy and rocky desert of Rajasthan. The river drafting this region, namely the Chambal, the Sindh, Betwa and Kain, is from southwest to northeast. And Deccan Plateau, if I talk about Deccan Plateau, so it's a triangular landmass that lie to the south of the river Narmada. The Satpura range flanks its broad base in the north, while the Mahadev, the Kaimur hills and the Malka range is from the eastern extension. Then three prominent hills range from the west to east are the Garo and the Khasi and the Jaintia hills. Then if I talk about, there are two broad divisions, that is the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. So the Western and the Eastern Ghat mark the western and the eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau respectively. So when I talk about Western Ghat, they are continuous and they can be crossed through passes only. They are higher than the Eastern Ghat and the average elevation is about near about 1600 meter as against 600 meter of the Eastern Ghat. Then the highest peak include the Anai Mudi. And about Eastern Ghat is what it is stretched from the Mahanadi valley to the Nilgiris in the south, and the Eastern Ghat are discontinuous and irregular and dissected by river draining into the Bay of Bengal, Mahendragiri, and Mahendragiri is the highest peak here. Then next is what? Next topic is we are going to discuss about is Indian desert.